Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope that everyone fit and fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I'm not bad. Alhamdulillah for everything. Right now I'm standing at my paddy field where I made so many videos, where I made so many mistakes. That's why today I have come in my paddy field and I'm making my new English content. You know that I am English learner. That's why when I get free time, that time I try to come in my paddy field and I try to make my new English content with paddy field. You know that Bangladesh is an agricultural country. As far as I know, paddy is a staple food in our Bangladesh, and every person in a day daily 3 times eat paddy. That's why it is very important and crucial product for our life, for our country. That's why every person in this season, they always hard work in his paddy field and they always hard work in his paddy field. It is so attractive for us. You know that in a day, daily 3 times every person eat rice. That's why every person, they always cultivate paddy. As you can see, it is completely green. Okay, I love green paddy field. That's why when I get free time, that time I'm making my new English content with green paddy field. As you can see, it is growing well day by day. Okay, now I'm describing this place, and you know that I am English learner. That's why I always practice my English language with different kind of place. And when I get free time, that time I try to go outside and I try to go new place, because I am English learner and I always describe around this place and I always make my new English content. And when I record my English content, after finish my record, I'm uploading my video on my Facebook page, on my YouTube channel. You know that my YouTube channel is growing well day by day. It is my pleasure, and I have been learning English last 1 year, and I'm uploading my video on my Facebook page, on my YouTube channel, side by side. I'm making my new English content every single day. Okay, right now today I have come in my paddy field and I'm seeing my paddy trees beside. At that time I'm describing this place. You know that practice makes a man perfect. That's why I always practice my English language and I always practice my English vocabulary by this way. And yesterday my one elder brother, he requested me, Mamun brother, your English speaks so good, and you tell me how we can improve our speaking skill and how we can develop our learning English. Now I will explain this thing. Okay, when you will start your learning English, that time you will follow English basic grammar. It is very important and crucial for your life. That's why you follow English grammar. Beside, you follow English video on your Facebook page, on your YouTube channel, and you always follow this way. And when you will see any video on your Facebook page, on your YouTube channel, that time you will see video with subtitle. It is very important for you. Okay, when I was studying class 9 and 10, that time I used to follow this way, and I used to follow some native speaker on my Facebook page, on my YouTube channel. Okay, when you will see any video, you follow video with subtitle. Okay, I hope that if you follow this way, and you will improve your speaking skill very soon. Okay, now I am practicing my English language by this way. And if you are a beginner and if you stay your home and if you stay your paddy land, it doesn't matter. Okay, you have to practice your English language every single day. Besides, at that time you follow some tips. Number one, you follow me and you can record your English content every single day. I hope that you will success your life. You will success your life quickly. It is very important for your life. Okay, like this way I'm practicing my English language and I'm improving my speaking skill day by day, because I have been practicing my English language last 1 year, and when I was beginner that time I couldn't make sentence and I couldn't make sentence properly. Now I can English but I can't English properly. Now I'm trying to best in my life, and I decided I will learn English properly and I will good speaker in my village and I will teach in my village poor people. It is my future plan. So everyone pray for me and everyone suggest me as if I can success in my life and I can good speaker in my village. Okay, this is the view. I'm practicing my English language by this way, and if you want to learn English you can follow this way and you can practice your English language by this way. As you can see, there are so many different kind of banana trees over there. It is completely green. You know that banana is very delicious and tasty product in our Bangladesh. Okay, now I will close my camera and I will go my home and I will open my fertilizer shop. Okay, see you next video. Stay safe, stay home. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz.